Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. So let's get started. So if you have horizontal line in your Android screen and you want to fix that. So to fix that, what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. So if you have a black colored horizontal line, then what you have to do is just simply open up your dark mode. So by opening up your dark theme, what will happen is this horizontal black line will be disappeared, so you can use your dark mode and that might fix your problem. But if that did not fix your problem, then you can just simply update your software. So if you suddenly face some dark lines on your Android screen, so that might be because you have an outdated version of software. Then what you have to do is just simply update your software. So open up your settings and then tap on about phone and then tap on Android version, and you will find Android security updates or your Android updates. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then update your device, and after updating your device you should fix the problem and the black screen or the black lines on your screen should be disappeared. So if that did not fix your problem, then most of the time restarting your device will fix the problem. So now to restart your device, you just have to tap and hold down on your power button and then restart your device, or you can just simply turn it off and then again turn it on, and after doing that it should fix the problem. So just simply restart it, and most of the time this will fix the problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.